Hi, welcome back to Newlook. Today I am going to show a whitening skin face mask using raw milk. Raw milk is very good for your skin lightening. So now I am going to show how to prepare the face mask using this milk. In this we have two steps. First one is face mask and then moisturizing your skin. So let's get started. For this you require some basin powder for face pack, honey, and our most important ingredient, raw milk. By using this basin powder, raw milk and honey, we are going to prepare a face pack. For this, take a bowl, add 1 full tablespoon of basin powder, 2 tablespoons of raw milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Now mix these three. This milk is great for improving the skin complexion and it is also an excellent cleanser. If you apply this raw milk directly onto your face, it will remove all the dirt from your face and helps to improve skin color, and it also shrinks the pores. If you have any large and open pores, this raw milk is very useful, and for radiant skin, milk gives an excellent remedy. The combination of this milk and honey works on your skin very well. It is loaded with vitamins, minerals and proteins that can make your skin fairer and radiant internally. It also soothes the skin irritation. If you have any irritation on your skin at any part of your body, this milk helps to soothe those irritations, and it also helps to give a smooth skin. Using this milk regularly makes your skin softer and smoother. After preparing like this thin paste, just apply onto your body like this, thin layer. If you have more dark areas, you add a little more basin and apply as a thick paste on your skin. Now I am applying a lighter. This is a single layer which is very thin, and massage for 5 minutes, both in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. The thing you have to remember here, on your face you can massage from down to bottom, from the chin to your cheeks, but not from top to bottom. It will result to get wrinkles, loose skin. So don't massage from bottom to top. On the cheeks you just massage like clockwise and anti-clockwise. directions and allow it to sit for 15 to 20 minutes to get dry. It removes the dead scales, whatever you have dead cells on your skin, this pack helps to remove. Also, it smoothens the fine lines and wrinkles on your skin and gives the smoothen and natural glow as well. Also, it helps to treat the sunburns. If you have any sunburns on your skin, it soothes and heals the sunburns too. Also, it is used as a good moisturizer. It moisturizes your skin very well. After 20 minutes, just wash with water. Take a clean water and just wash it. The second step is moisturizing your skin. After cleaning the face pack, you have to moisturize your skin. For that, now I am going to use some honey and our ingredient raw milk. By using this honey and raw milk, prepare a moisturizer. Just add half spoon of honey and half spoon of raw milk. Half spoon of honey and another half spoon of raw milk. Now dilute this honey into the raw milk. Honey is a great moisturizer for your skin. It gives wonders. After preparing this, take a cotton ball and just dip it into the mixture and just apply onto your skin wherever you have applied this pack. Just apply and leave it. In the next morning, wash with cold water. It is very important and very natural face mask and moisturizer. Do try at your home. You no need to go to any parlor and spend time or money. This is very simple to prepare and very simple to apply also. It will give more miracle results. Do try at your home. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends. Any doubts regarding this video, comment in the comment section. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Newlook.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.